make all styles and all colors of windows. I mean, when I say that, I mean literally we make every color of windows, but we have a variety of colors. Like most window companies, most vinyl window companies limit you to a palette of white or beige, and they won't offer any dark colors because dark traps heat, vinyl is affected by heat, and so if you have a black window or a bronze window or something like that, it's going to increase the likelihood of that vinyl frame warping. Vinyl is a weak material structurally. It's affected by heat. So in the summer, it can get warm enough that the vinyl frame will warp and sag, and then it no longer fits properly to the other frame system. So like if it's a casement window, it'll sag so significant that when you go to close it, it's hitting and you have to actually lift it up to get it to close. If it's a double hung window, that's the style that goes up and down, it'll sag so significant in the middle that you can't get the window to line up to lock. If they make those windows out of bronze or black, it just speeds up the process because it holds the heat, and so it gets that much harder and it warps that much more significant. With our window, with our construction, our window isn't affected by heat like those windows are. So we offer dark bronze, black frames, sandstone frame, beige, white, plus I have various paints that I can get on the exterior, green, silver, I'm not going to go through all of them here. But the reason why we're able to offer that is because our frame is affected by heat like an all vinyl window is, because we have reinforcements inside the frame to prevent it from sagging and warping, so we can make a black window. We actually have a window that's black on the inside and black on the outside, so that would be trapping the most heat of any window on the market, and we don't have any issues with it whatsoever because, again, the construction of the frame. Now, getting back to black windows, it's just currently what's trendy. It's like, I've done this since 1989, and in 1989 we used to sell brown windows, white windows, and beige windows. And brown windows were a big deal in 1989 because before that you couldn't get any color but white. And so times have changed, but with Thermo King we try to keep up with, what's going on. Most window companies, it's like, which one do you want? It's, two choices. With us, we attempt to keep pace with what's going on in interior design and aesthetics and architecture, because we're a high-end window. We try to keep up with high-end housing and offer, here it's not just a cookie cutter thing. It's what do you like, what palette are you working with, and all that stuff. Because our window, this sounds corny when I say it, it's an investment, but our window's designed for longevity. I don't want to say they're going to be there forever, but they're going to be there for a really, really long time. So we want to make sure that not only does it last and perform like it's supposed to, but it looks like you want it to look, so that you're happy with the appearance of the product. And not every window company does that. They're just like, here's what we got. So that's one of the benefits of a black window.